Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp, or you can say the second WhatsApp in your device, Redmi K50 and Gaming Edition. But before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move toward our today's topic. So if you want to download a second WhatsApp, or you can say a dual WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp in your device, Redmi K50, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download a second WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch the video.